What is the top speed that you tried with this one?
Top speed 200 kilometers.
But did you try? No, never. You never tried.
That's the max that I drove with it.
You tried. Running on 87.
It starts drifting. Even if I'm speeding 80
okay.
with sport mode, it's gonna drift.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And we are on top down, guys. You hear that sound, man?
What you're gonna do is press brake, okay? Shift your transmission to sport and luxury, like
it's Chrysler. Usually Chrysler is luxury.
yeah, and I want sport car, but I don't want sport car like coupe, and I need something like big. So this was the.
This is big. It's big.
Yeah, this was the.
Okay, let's go, guys.
This choice.
Camera.
Yep. Watch out.
Running only 110, guys. Very, very nice. Woo. First time. Top down. What? Let's go, guys. Let's try again.
Yeah, this is the way you do it.
Oh, guys. Allow me to drive his car. Guys, excited lang ako dahil first time I drive a sports car like this. New friend, Chrysler.
Hold up.
Oh. Oh shit. Okay.
See how it's drifting?
Wala.
You feel that?
Yeah.
You feel the motion?
Yes. Small. Oh, and the engine. Oh my god. First time. I think we need to find too much sport car. It's very nice. Fill? Fill with gas.
Yeah, we need some fuel.
How much the consumption of this? Sure, it's too much.
Okay, so I pay 100 reals and it's enough for me for 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah.
So that is
650 kilometer.
450
km. 1.8. Yeah. 1.8 real for 1 liter. Yeah. 1.8.
So
45 cents in US. Very cheap. So you can ride as long as you can. No worries about the petrol.
In Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Only in Saudi Arabia.
Petrol belongs here.
Mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering, guys. So
And
anyone who wishes to single
for math tutoring maybe.
math tutoring.
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe math tutoring.
Very good in math, guys.
Yeah.
Engineering, very good in math. If you want some tutorial, you have Twitter, you have like.
I have everything.
Yeah, you can promote it here, guys. So if you want to follow Faisal,
Okay. Here's my Instagram,
Engineer Faisal.
Snapchat, Twitter. So
Yeah, everything is here, guys. I will flash it in my screen later on. So if you want to follow him, I will flash it in my
They
screen.
need the name
Yeah,
here.
her name is also there. But anyway, I will flash it later in my.
They only see your finger, man.
No, it's there. See?
Welcome, guys.
Yeah.
All of you friends of Louie.
Yeah.
Welcome to my account.
Yeah.
From 2021, you don't have to take off your car. All you have to do is just to
How to pay it? Using this.
pay with
Oh, nice. See?
2021.
2021.
No,
Paying
yeah.
everything with only his wrist watch. My God.
Yeah.
I hope everyone is having beach watch with money in it. This guy. So we're going back to the office and we enjoy the ride too much. Oh. How old are you, Faisal?
26.
Oh, very young, guys. Still young and rich. Young and rich.
Are you pointing on something?
You know what I mean? Come on, guys. Show your love.
Show your love.
See, you forgot. Put on.
All because of you.
Oh my God. Just you fill the gasoline, you forget to fill up his buckle. So this is the road going back to our office, which I showed you earlier during my morning video.
How was it driving?
Oh, very nice.
Really?
It's like very exciting. I'm so nervous, but excited. Excited to use this wheel, guys.
Were you scared?
I am nervous, but I'm not scared, but I'm nervous, of course.
Because you're driving something that's not
Yeah, that's
yours.
something new, and I don't know.
Whenever I use my friend's car,
So I need to learn everything first.
yeah, you can't know how much gas or how
Correct.
much brake
Yes, so
you can give.
that's why I did it very slowly. All right, we are here, guys, and
Alright, thank you guys for watching, and please, if you don't subscribe, and if you don't, and give us a thumbs up if you like it and like the car, and don't forget to add me in my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, everything. It's my honor to have all Louie's friends.
yes,
Me.
please.
And if you have any other ideas you guys want to see or want to explore in Saudi Arabia,
Just leave a comment.
yeah,
Leave a comment,
comment,
and
we
we
can
will, we will do whatever we can, guys. So our new friend here, Faisal, thank you for sharing your very nice Chrysler SRT. Am I correct?
is with SRT
Okay.
Kit.
With SRT kit. With SRT kit, guys. So thank you for watching and
share the love.
share the love, guys. So see you on my next video.